In this video, I'm going to take you through a beginner's guide to the Trust Wallet. And for more information on Trust Wallet, please check out everybithelps.co.uk. The Trust Wallet is the official wallet by Binance, and it's a decentralized, secure crypto mobile wallet where you can buy, store, exchange and earn crypto. And today, I'll show you exactly that. Plus, I'll pop a timeline in the summary below so that you can jump to specific parts of the video if you want. First up, a little bit about what the Trust Wallet is. Trust Wallet was founded in 2017 by Viktor Vachenko, with a focus to build a better interface for storing and accessing funds, as well as laying the infrastructure for other developers to build Dapps. Originally built to support Ethereum-based tokens, it now supports 40 different blockchains and more than 160,000 assets. And the Trust Wallet was acquired by Binance in July of 2018 to provide better services and enhance the safety for its users. With this partnership, Trust Wallet now also integrates with the Binance Smart Chain. The wallet itself is private with no collection of your personal data, plus you have access to your private keys stored locally on your device, and therefore you have complete control over your funds. And not only that, but there's a whole host of easy-to-use features, such as quick and easy buying with credit and debit cards for those that are getting started and maybe buying their first crypto. Now, one thing to mention here is that you can't sell a coin to cash out and withdraw back to a bank account or back to a card within the wallet. This is something that will need to be performed on an exchange such as Binance, and I'll have a link in the summary below where you can get 20% discount on your trading fees if you don't already have an account. But you can also swap or exchange your crypto from right within the wallet. You can stake and earn interest on your crypto. Plus, you can also safely store all of your collectibles and NFTs within the Trust Wallet and track crypto prices. And the mobile app, which is available for Android or iPhone, is currently being used by over 5 million people. So let's jump into the walkthrough. First up, you'll want to download and install the app. And once it's launched, you can either create a new wallet or you can restore a wallet if, for example, you have a new phone. I'll go ahead and create a new wallet now. And you'll need to write your security words down and keep them somewhere safe, offline, and away from any potential harm, as anyone who has access to these words will have control of your funds and can simply recover your wallet using that 12-word phrase. And the purpose of that 12-word phrase is just for recovery or importing a wallet. But once you've written down those words in the right order and confirmed them, you'll then enter the main screen of the app. And the first thing I'd recommend doing before you start putting funds into here is to secure your wallet with an extra level of security. So if I head across to Settings in the bottom right-hand side of my screen and go to Security, you can set an app lock where you'll be prompted to set a passcode. But heading back to the wallet on the far left of the screen again. In here, you have your balance at the top of the screen, which you can also hide by pressing onto it. And this is in your chosen fiat currency, which you can change under the settings, and I'll take you through some of those shortly. Then pre-populated, you automatically have Bitcoin, Ethereum and BNB. And these show the current price, the 24-hour change, and any balance that you have of that asset. If you want to add more to this list, you can press onto the icon in the top right-hand side of the screen. And as you can see, there's a whole host of assets that you can choose from, or you can search for a crypto. Now, if we press onto a specific token from the list, and in this example I'll choose Bitcoin, you'll see the price in the top right-hand side of your screen and the change again. Plus, you have the option to view chart information for that specific crypto by pressing onto the graph icon in the top far right. And it'll then show you the asset information, the website and the market cap, etc. You then have quick links for sending. So if you want to send this particular crypto across to an exchange or another wallet, you can simply paste in the recipient address into here. Or you can scan a QR code, which is the button on the right. And using this method can help you to eliminate entering in an incorrect address. You then enter in the amount that you'd like to send, or you can click onto Max to send across all of your funds. You also have an option for receiving, which will display your address for this specific type of crypto and your QR code too. Just remember that you'll have different addresses for different blockchains, so make sure that you are sharing the correct type of address from here, otherwise you will risk losing your funds. Now I'm currently in my test account, but if I head across to my live account, I'm going to send across some BNB from the Binance exchange to show you this process. So I'll select BNB and choose to receive, and I'm going to copy this address now. If I head across to Binance and withdraw, I'm then prompted to enter in the recipient address, which is my receive address that I just copied across from my Trust wallet. And it'll ask you which network or chain that you'd like to use. If you're worried it might be going to the wrong chain, it will come up with an error if you've done this incorrectly, so don't worry. I'm just going to send across my BNB now. And as you can see, that's now showing up in my balance. Then finally from this screen, there's also the option to buy. And they have third-party providers integrated into the app so that you can easily buy with a credit or a debit card. Simply enter in the amount that you'd like to buy in USD, and there's a minimum amount of $50 in here. And the amount of crypto that you're going to receive will show underneath, and that'll include the fees. Then you need to choose your payment provider if you have more than one option here, and it'll show you the rate for each. Then you'll just need to follow the instructions on screen by the third-party provider, and be aware that depending on the type of crypto that you purchase, there will be some time before you receive them. Trust Wallet doesn't save any of the information that you provide. The third-party provider processes the transaction their end and then sends the crypto to your wallet once the payment is confirmed. Now this is a convenient way to buy your crypto, but this won't be the cheapest way, and therefore it's not a way that I'd personally use or recommend, as you'll definitely be paying at a premium here. And as I said at the very beginning, if you want to sell your crypto for fiat and cash out to a bank or a credit card, you will need to send your crypto across to an exchange for that, as that isn't possible from inside the wallet. Then at the top of the screen, at the moment we're on the Tokens tab. But as you can see, you also have Finance. And with Finance, you can earn crypto with staking. Now at the moment, I'm already staking BNB, but I'm going to add some more to that. So if you have some Binance BNB, you can stake them directly from within your Trust wallet. If we click onto BNB, it will then take us to the BNB wallet. And if we press onto the More button, from here I can view the stake details, which shows me information about staking BNB. It provides me with the APR as well as the lock time. Plus it also shows me the amount available and the amount that I've staked. At the moment, the minimum here is 1 BNB, which is quite a lot, but hopefully it will reduce over time. We can also stake from here, where we can enter the amount of BNB that we'd like to stake. And just be aware that you'll also need to have some BNB to pay for the fees. Then you can choose the validator that you'd like to delegate your stake to, and you can view a list of validators and their current rates, which will change over time. And it's worth doing some research into who these validators are before you start staking with them. So I'll choose Max. And as I said, you will need to have some BNB to pay for the fees here. Just be aware that when you're staking your tokens, you can't actually remove them from the wallet or exchange them, as they're going to be locked. Next up, if we take a look at unstaking, the process of unstaking your BNB can be done after 3 days of the last staking transaction. The unstaking of your tokens will stop the rewards from being generated. Once the unstaking is confirmed, your tokens will then be transferable. Then finally, there's a section for collectibles. Trust Wallet provides you with an easy way to store and access all your crypto collectibles and NFTs, and they say this is with peace of mind and security. And to store your NFTs or collectibles within the Trust Wallet, simply click onto Receive, and you'll be prompted with a QR code and an address that you can send them across to. Now, some of you may be aware that there was a tab at the bottom named Dapps, which was the Dapp Browser. However, unfortunately, Trust Wallet did have to remove this to comply with the Apple App Store guidelines. And this change has only impacted those on iOS, which unfortunately is what I'm currently on, so I won't be able to show you that feature. So next, let's take a look at the Dex tab. And there's two different options from here. First, you have the option to swap, which is a more simplified method of exchanging your tokens, and you can swap to any two tokens on the same chain. Just enter the token that you currently have, and then the token that you'd like to swap to or you'd like to receive. Then you'll want to enter in how many tokens you'd like to swap, or you can use a percentage of your balance here. And there'll be an automatic conversion rate that'll give you an idea of how much you'll receive. And you'll get a notification once the swap is complete, and the tokens will be sent directly to your wallet. Then you also have the option to exchange. And this is very similar to the Binance trading screen. First, you can tap onto the trading pair on the upper left and select your market for trading. You can see the order book for the token and buy and sell orders. You can swap between buy and sell screens. Then enter the price that you'd like to buy or sell your crypto at, and the amount that you'd like to buy or sell. Once you've entered this in, your tokens will then appear in your wallet once the order is filled, and any open orders will appear at the bottom of the screen here. Then finally, under Settings, you can create multi-wallets, and you can manage from here too. From here, you can create a new wallet or restore from an existing one. And you can manage several wallets all from inside one app, which is pretty handy to have. You have your security, your preferences with different fiat currency options. You can get price alerts. Plus, you can also use WalletConnect. And WalletConnect allows all Trust Wallet users to interact with any Dapp without compromising recovery phrases or private keys, as you'll be notified to approve all transaction requests directly from within your mobile app. I'm going to show you a quick example now with the 1inch exchange aggregator. So 1inch does support the Ethereum ERC20 blockchain, but it also supports the Binance Smart Chain. At the moment, when you go to connect your wallet at the top of the screen, it'll ask you which network you'd like to connect to. If I just click onto Ethereum, you'll see you can connect the likes of MetaMask, which I've covered before, and Ledger, and also you've got WalletConnect. To connect my Trust Wallet via WalletConnect, click onto the WalletConnect icon. And it will then give you access to a QR code, and you can then go to your Trust Wallet and click onto WalletConnect to scan that QR code. And once connected, you can then interact with the 1inch exchange or your chosen Dapp. At the moment, if you connect to the Binance Smart Chain instead of Ethereum, you don't actually get the option to select WalletConnect. However, you do get MetaMask. And again, I've got a tutorial of how to connect MetaMask with the Binance Smart Chain. So that was my run through of the Trust Wallet app. And I hope you enjoyed this video today. And if you did, then please give me a like, hit the subscribe button, and please do head over to my website at everybithelps.co.uk for more tips, reviews, and step-by-step guides. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.